Ready to spoil your star pets with a Visa gift card? Let's dive right in. First, head over to starpets.gg and log into your account. Look for the Add Gems button. It is usually near your profile. Click it. You will see different gem packages available for purchase. Choose the one that fits your budget and how much you want to spend on your star pets. Now comes the important part. Select the credit card, debit card payment option. This is where your Visa gift card will work. Fill out the card information just like you would with a regular credit card. Enter the Visa gift card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, which is usually located on the back of the card. In the billing address section, use your name and address. If your Visa gift card wasn't registered to a specific address, use your current address. Review all the information you have entered to make sure it is correct, then click Submit or Pay Now. Hopefully you will have enough balance on the card. That's it. You've successfully used your Visa gift card to add gems to your StarPets account. Now go spoil those adorable creatures.